Hi, my name is Matthew and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about ExpertSlides before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ExpertSlides is, be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because ExpertSlides is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is ExpertSlides and does it actually work? The answer is yes. ExpertSlides is an add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint that enables you to create beautiful presentations in seconds. After installing, just pick a template and you are ready to go. There are hundreds of professional templates available in the most different fields. With ExpertSlides, you can easily switch colors to customize your presentations with just one click. It is not difficult to move things around to adjust your slide for your needs. This way, you can really focus your attention to what really matters, your ideas, instead of spending hours wasting time with formatting. Using ExpertSlides, you can rest assured that your presentation will look as beautiful as it should be, since you have access to a high-resolution database containing over 3 million images to add to your designs. You can even search for pictures using keywords to accelerate your production. In addition, this database also offers over 2 million customizable icons to enhance your slides with focus, attention, and emotion. You know you can trust a product when you see the results people can achieve using it. With ExpertSlides, Aiden here was able to save money and obtain the quality he needed to elevate his game for graphical content and design. As you can also see here, it is possible to get great results saving a lot of time that you would spend creating your own designs from scratch, says Christine. And a great product can only come with great customer service and support, which is confirmed here by Dr. Ben Wynn. As you can see here, there are two different pricing methods, one by subscription for €19.99 per month, and another one that grants unlimited access by a one-time only payment for €149.99. Both offers have the same features. Here you can see some well-known brands that trust ExpertSlides, such as Intel and the Washington State University. Down here you can preview some of the hundreds of templates that are built in ExpertSlides. Let's take a look at this one. It is undeniable the quality in the construction of each slide of these presentation templates. Attention to detail and a cutting-edge design is noticeable all over this page. As described here, it is very simple to start using ExpertSlides. You only need to follow these 3 easy steps to get the software running in your device. Download, install, log in your ExpertSlides details directly in PowerPoint, and you will be ready to enjoy all these amazing features. It is also nice and important to know that ExpertSlides is always evolving, so new templates are being added every month to keep the software fresh and up to date. So, I wanted to record this video to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ExpertSlides from. I really hope that ExpertSlides actually helps you to improve your business or school presentations. If you want to check out the product for yourself, go to the official website clicking the link available in the description down below this video. Thanks for watching.